Model 2013 Citroën Relay Transit L1 2.2 HDi Enterprise Long MOT very clean. Body silver, panel van. Mileage 101,378. MOT the 30th of May 2024. Engine 2198 cc 4 HGD. Transmission 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Runs fine, but after it gets warm it will misfire and cut out. It's been diagnosed as an injector fault. This is a straightforward simple replacement repair. Remember, this is the same engine as the Ford Transit, so the injectors come out easier than spark plugs. Grin. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Well looked after van. This is very clean low mileage example. Grin.